Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel. We are in Lodge District in Trelawney this morning and we are heading to see a lady by the name of, what's her name, Marcel? Ms Norma. Ms Norma. She's an amputee and so we are bringing some personal items to her as well as some grocery items. This is the road he took? Okay. Alright, so please remember to like and to share and to subscribe to the channel. So once we post a new video, you will be updated. Alright, so we're taking a track down. Marcel, you have to be careful. There's a lot of mud and water here, so. Okay. Yep. The path is muddy and slippery. Wow.
Only for reach. Yes, sir.
I am wondering. Oh, it sounds like. Yeah, so this lady, we usually visit her and give her food items, but not at this location when she was living somewhere else, but we have never featured her on the channel before. So we are basically going to do so today and bring her some items. So this is the first time we're visiting this location though, because she has moved from the place that we used to visit her. Wow. Oh Lord, hi, good morning. Oh, I feel. Yeah, hi Shane. You're not call. Me no want. Okay, let me wait.
Miss Kim, come on.
Alright, alright.
Miss Kim.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm telling you,
But look here. Hi, Ms Norma.
are you telling me to forward?
Let me tell him. Ms Norma. So we come video here this morning. You have a nice spotlight.
Good morning.
How you stay?
It's here bad.
What happened to you now?
Shane not keep me using now.
Shane?
Yeah, I know.
How is Shane? I don't know. Tell me, make me beat him for you.
I mean, have a washing machine out there. Me wrong. Then the girl, the machine is gonna. So, instead of him broke down, so she now call him and tell him to the machine there can't borrow it. He say, he can't use it and can't come back. But she use it, she not come back. He have it out there. So he must buy different one. So I said, come back, come give me no. In a car and say, me can't manage it. I don't no money to pay nobody with car. I don't no van for car. The guy over there, so I ask him. He say we carry. I know over a month now. And he have a veranda out there.
Okay. Yes.
We glad to see you.
Oh Lord, you move from women and change location.
Yeah. And my sister, them, you know, me say, then me outside one, you know, Malagana man to go be. And then I tell Shane, and then come, and me and my talk and I say, then she Shane, go give me nothing. Then I mind me. So then I carry me a man to go be. And Shane can't carry me come here. Then I treat me good at all.
Uh-oh.
They treat me good. I want good girl. The same girl when me lend the machine and she will give me something.
Okay, okay. So your mommy is in Montego Bay now?
Yes, but me not see no rich person and me have my phone up here and then TV.
Lord have mercy. So we bring you some items this morning.
Thank you very
Yes.
much.
Take this for her. And also some personal items as well. That's one of the bags.
All my clothes, them then gone with you know.
Your clothes gone?
All my sheets on them.
Yes.
TV, And my sister over there.
Yeah.
She take me and ask me to come up there some. She and them.
Oh, okay.
I take you away, man. One take you away. Take
Yeah.
my clothes and my sheet and them. No sheet again.
Oh no.
Money back up, me clothes some, you know, for me enough clothes. And me say, then take off my clothes. And my blankets and I think a hospital, then take you away.
I know you used to work at the primary school as a vendor.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I school me used to sell.
How many years were you doing that type of job?
A long time, over 30 odd years.
Wow.
Long day. Not too very.
Yeah.
Not even.
Yes.
Long time. So I'm Mr. Lawman.
Yes, a long time. I don't know Mr. Norma.
Tell you know who.
Yes.
Yes.
And so what happened? Talk to us about that.
It's like sick. Me got to Falmouth. Go look about where them again? Nasaya, the other one.
NIS?
Okay.
Okay.
Them are the place. And when I come back, I reach near to my mother gate. Me drop down there. Me drop down there. And me go to father in the hospital. And when they test me, me have sugar.
Okay.
And my foot, one of my foot swell. And it turned black.
Okay.
And when the doctor test it, 3 of the 2 spoiled. So then cut off everything. And me feel it, you know. Me feel it to my heart.
Yeah.
Me say, me not cut the next one, you know. If he cut, me not cut it. Me I dead it to the next one. So that's how it starts.
Okay. So it took a toll on you though, like you say. You know, just having to know that you were independent before, where you used to work as a vendor.
I help myself, man.
Yes.
I mean, help myself. I'm saying, go to school, I mean, make my daughter go away, and you used to send something for me. I know nothing. I don't know where I'm in America.
Okay. You haven't heard from her?
No.
Okay. How many years ago since you had the operation?
I nothing remember again.
She didn't remember how long?
But I know say 19 of September. Every time I was saying that, but I don't remember which year.
How many years now since she lost her leg?
Oh, what year my father did know, 6 years. About 3 years or 2 years.
I'm more than 3 years now.
Halfway.
Okay.
Yes.
Just wanted to have an idea.
Halfway.
Yes. Because I know, so Ms Norma, because when we used to visit you first, you were living with your mother.
Yes, me go over there. Mother, so me must come over there. Leave her up here and come over there.
Oh, so you were living up here first when you were at the school?
Yeah.
Oh, but when you got sick now, you went down to your mother's house? Okay. Yeah. So what are some of the difficulties you find that you face now? What are some of the challenges you have?
I don't have nobody who give me anything more than so. And one of my church sister, we carry breakfast go and give me. And dinner. Yes, Jamaican.
Okay. So in terms of medication and all of that, and you know.
Me used to buy it, but me get it from the government.
Yes.
And the doctor come and visit me.
Okay. Right. Yeah. So that is taken care of.
Yeah.
Oh, so your challenge would be what? Your day-to-day food and all of that?
Me has to buy food, so.
So where the money come from?
Me have a friend. Where my sister-in-law, she will send something come give me.
Okay.
And the lady buy something and give me.
Okay. What happened to you, Ms Norma?
That treat me good.
You're upset with Shane this morning. Shane? What happened to you, Ms Norma?
Oh. Send go for the washing machine.
Oh, you want to go for the washing machine?
If I turn off for me, I fast, and make it.
Oh.
And say, I'm going to say now, but it's money for pay. The guy say not charge me for carry over. And saying then I go file for me.
Oh, where you said the washing machine there?
Just so, yes, sir.
Oh, so it's just to get a vehicle to...
You turn it.
Okay. We're going to talk to Shane and make Shane deal with it for you. You hear? Because Mrs. say you're upset about it. You hear, Ms. Norma?
I know, me know why going to curse me.
Oh. We're going to talk to Shane.
Yes.
You have to start out the machine for mommy, man.
Oh, man, should I carry it today? I'm a Devon, you know, so okay.
Oh, so you're going to start out... You know there?
No, this man in Ghana.
Oh.
So, the man did up a station where there's a car. And he shop on last night and he keeps up open.
Oh, so...
The key fine. So, mostly on Sunday. So, they have free time and sometimes, you know, come over here for, you know, say, I'm a look about him for the car and so forth.
But Shane, try and see how you can work out it for Ms. Norma. I'll make Ms. Norma stop looking on your bad. You hear? You hear, Shane? Yes, he might go work it out. You hear, Ms. Norma?
Nah, do it.
He might go do it, man. Like how we and him talk about it. You hear?
Cost me out. Cost me out.
Oh, boy.
Ms Norma.
My
pampers in your bag?
Oh, yeah, for Ms. Norma.
Oh,
yeah.
I must see that the one there alone left back on the coming right there.
Okay, Ms. Norma, someone has donated those for you. You hear?
Thank you, miss.
Yes, you're welcome. Yes. So, Ms. Norma, we are going to leave you now. We catch you at a bad time when you're upset. Every time you see Shane pass, you look on him bad. Shane, work it out, please. Here? You might go talk. We are going to work, Penny. We are talk to him. Here? Oh boy, we're going to talk to Shane for you here. Yeah, Ms. Norma?
Yeah.
I remember seeing you and him there, you know.
Shane lift him up like baby, can't go put him on your one.
Yes, you have to work out. Yes, so it goes sometimes, and not every day.
How if you do again?
Yeah.
Man.
That's okay. I mean, you know, see nobody come look for him. Yes? And after, in June, the 1st of June, in there, I'll call him and say, you can't come look for no sister. Then tell me, say, I don't call them phone, I don't stress them out. So, I don't bother call them.
Oh, okay.
I July, I don't have no problem. Yeah? If I tell you something one time, and I see you not push out no effort, me pass and even tell you nobody. Yeah?
Okay.
I saw mistake. But you see, I came now with your husband, we usually up a female yard. Yeah? And I came now too. Yeah, Lodi. If you know Lodi.
Yes, man.
Lodi look like a brother.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But Shane, go ahead.
Lodi, I don't where the tax office there. Jackson Town.
Jackson Town. Oh, okay.
Usually work there.
Oh, yes, yes.
Lodi see me. Yeah, Lodi. Shane, I saw you get tall, man.
Yeah, you grow.
For real, man.
Yeah.
Exactly. When I'm there, even sometimes I can't go work. See me usually work with one man out Alberton, and I can't work with him. I can't work with him. Sometimes I'm one day I'm behind. One day.
Why you can't work with the man? Because you have to help your mommy. Oh, okay.
If me usually, when me usually work with the man, sometimes I come in at 8 o'clock. So when I see man, and the man I say, Shane, when you see him, I tell him what I go and him I say, boy, you wicked man, you.
Yeah.
Yes?
So, Ms Norma, you see, we have to work out it because, you know, everything might not be topsy-turvy, they would say, but, you know, Shane is here and doing what he can. So, now have to work out the differences. Yeah? Yeah, Ms Norma?
Yeah, just Shane not talk to me, you know. And he go away and not talk to me. And not give me nothing. Shane not give me nothing.
Alright, we're going to work that out. We have to go talk to you and Shane. You hear, Ms Norma? We're going to talk. You want to talk? You want to have dialogue?
No, not.
Oh, you mean I don't say anything? So it's going to work out. We're going to talk about it here when we finish here.
That's it.
I'll talk to you when you're done. Let me end this first. Alright, Ms Norma. It's so, you know, we're sorry we come at a time when your mood is not up and bright like it usually is, but we're still nonetheless, we're glad we're here and we were able to bring you a few things.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Yes.
We'll go get the medication for him. And when we get the medication, on the top of the receipt, once you want, they write something. But true, you know, say most people when they write different from way most of it. And
Then I write for you understand.
yes, and me ask one of the health aid of a clinic, and what is that up my top? So I say, me have to go buy those 3 pills. But he never remember to ticky them.
Okay.
And you know, say, for they not have them, certain doctor or health aid, I'll make one like a XR stick, you know. And when we go over Spalding's yesterday over the hospital, we get one of the pill. The doctor tell me, say, he don't have them. So me have to go buy them. Walk out the whole of Spalding's town. None of there. One of the pharmacy over Spalding's town tell me, say, I have to go to Mandeville over 3 Angels. So when we go at 3 Angels, that's a side of hospital. Yeah, we never know say it close. It's a run a Sabbath keeper. So the next one, he say, he not have it. We go over the hospital, they not have it. When we check out one of the pharmacy, him say, that 2 pills I want, I feel almost $8,000. Yes.
It's 2 single pill? Or
No, not
2?
No, a pack.
2 a pack.
You see.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't know how much come in, I said.
Okay,
So
okay.
the lady say, if me never have the health card, I would have more money. But one of the lady tell me say, him now go get it till next week Saturday. From the hospital now have it, it's short.
Okay.
Yeah. And I one me bring come. And the one when bring come, a 7 in it. 7.
7 of the little
Yeah, but and a 7
the
small
strips?
one. A 7 strips.
7 strips.
Yes, and she have it. Them the pound red something. And for me carry come give me mother. And give her. And I tell her about it. Y'all know you not talk to me?
Ms Norma, so, what happened? So you're vexed. Alright, so thanks everyone. Thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe and bye-bye.